Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Schedule Dark Theme on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Display option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your display features. Step 3. Now scroll down the menu to locate the Dark Theme option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. Next, select the Schedule option to find 4 options. The first option is None. The second option is Turns on at custom time. The third option is Turns on from sunset to sunrise. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap on Turns on at custom time. Set the start time you like and set the end time you like. This will turn on Schedule Dark Theme on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.